Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can grind for money in Heartopia. So you're going to start at the lighthouse, like near the beach, obviously. Let me just get this bubble. But basically, you're going to start here to get mushrooms. You'll get about 50 per round, 40 to 50. So you're just going to start here. And then you're just going to go down from here. So press F or whatever it is you press to get mushrooms. And you're just going to basically follow my trail. Then you're just going to go up this hill. Go up this other hill. And you're just going to do that all over again. You're going to go up to the lighthouse and you're going to do that using that route. And that is pretty much it. You're just going to then cook it into either mushroom pie or grilled mushrooms. So if you don't have wheat, just do the grilled mushrooms and then you're able to sell them later for a lot of money. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!